In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text side by side in Google Docs. When you're working in Google Docs, everything normally flows in one long column from top to bottom. But sometimes you might want to organize information next to each other, almost like columns in a magazine or a comparison chart. That's where putting text side by side becomes really useful. It's great for things like pros and cons lists, side-by-side comparisons, or even simple layouts where you don't want everything stacked vertically. To get started, open your document in Google Docs. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want your side-by-side text to begin. This is important because Google Docs will insert the layout tool right at that point in your document, and everything you type into it will live inside that area. The easiest and most flexible way to place text next to text in Google Docs is by using a table. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down that appears, hover over Table. You'll see a grid appear. For two blocks of text side by side, select a table that's one row and two columns. Just click on the 1 by 2 option in the grid. Google Docs will insert a simple table with two side-by-side cells. Each cell acts like its own mini text box. Click inside the left cell and start typing your first block of text. Then click inside the right cell and type your second block of text. You can format the text in each cell just like you would anywhere else in the document. Change fonts, adjust sizes, make things bold or underlined, add color, and so on. Each side can be styled independently. If you want more room on one side, hover your mouse over the vertical line between the two cells until you see the resize cursor. Click and drag left or right to adjust the width of each column. This is helpful if one side has more text than the other, or if you want one section to stand out visually. If you don't like the visible table lines, you can remove them. Highlight the table, then use the border settings in the toolbar to set the border width to 0, or choose a transparent color. The structure will stay, but the lines will disappear, making it look like clean side-by-side text instead of a table. And that's all there is to it. By inserting a simple two-column table, adjusting the widths, and optionally hiding the borders, you can quickly and neatly place text side-by-side in Google Docs.